Virtual, meaning existing or occurring online or in a simulated environment. Example: virtual meetings have become the norm in the era of remote work. Synonyms: simulated, computer-generated, digital, online, artificial. Antonym: physical, real, tangible, actual. Step into the virtually infinite world of words with Lexiloom. Erasure, meaning the act of removing or deleting something, often written or recorded. Example: the erasure of sensitive data is crucial for privacy protection. Synonyms: deletion, obliteration, elimination, removal, wiping. Antonym: preservation, retention, keeping, conservation. Witness the clean slate of understanding with Lexiloo.
Cryptography, meaning the practice and study of techniques for secure communication and data protection. Example: cryptography is essential for safeguarding sensitive information in digital communication. Synonyms: encryption, code-making, secret writing, cryptology, encoding. Antonym: decryption, openness, transparency, plain text. Subscribe for more. Infrastructure, meaning the basic physical and organizational structures and facilities needed for the operation of a society, enterprise, or system. Example: reliable infrastructure is vital for the development of any modern city. Synonyms: framework, foundation, network, base, structure. Antonym: disarray, disorganization, instability, breakdown. Build your linguistic foundation with Lexiloom, where words construct the infrastructure of comprehension. Abstracts, meaning summaries or condensed versions of information, often conveying the main points. Example: academic journals include abstracts to provide a brief overview of research articles. Synonyms: summaries, overviews, abridgments, synopses, outlines. Antonym: elaborations, expansions, detailed accounts, full versions. Promotion: delve into the essence of words with Lexiloom, where abstracts blossom into a garden of knowledge. Destruction, meaning the action or process of causing so much damage that something no longer exists or cannot be repaired. Example: the hurricane left a trail of destruction in its wake. Synonyms: ruin, devastation, demolition, annihilation, obliteration. Antonym: construction, creation, preservation, restoration. Witness the construction and deconstruction of language at Lexiloom, where words shape and reshape the landscape of understanding. Loose, meaning not firmly or tightly fixed in place. Example: the loose screw needed tightening to secure the shelf. Synonyms: free, unbound, untied, relaxed, unrestrained. Antonym: tight, secure, fixed, bound, restricted. Set your words free with Lexiloom, where language flows loose and unrestricted, inviting exploration and expression. Lose, meaning to be deprived of or unable to find or retain something. Example: it's easy to lose track of time when engrossed in a good book. Synonyms: forfeit, miss, misplace, surrender, give up. Antonym: gain, find, retrieve, win, retain. Discover a world where losing words means gaining knowledge. Join Lexiloom on a journey where every loss is a step towards linguistic mastery. Peek, meaning to glance quickly or furtively. Example: she couldn't resist taking a peek at the surprise gift. Synonyms: glance, glimpse, peep, look, view. Antonym: stare, scrutinizze, gaze, observe. Take a sneak peek into the wonders of language with Lexiloom, where every word invites you to look closer and discover the beauty within. Secrecy, meaning the state or quality of being secretive, the practice of keeping information hidden. Example: the secrecy surrounding the project added to its intrigue. Synonyms: confidentiality, privacy, concealment, covertness, hiddenness. Antonym: openness, transparency, disclosure, public knowledge. Unlock the mysteries of language while diving into the depths of secrecy with Lexiloom, where every word whispers its unique tale. Shredding, meaning the act of tearing or cutting something into small pieces. Example: shredding documents is a common practice for disposal of sensitive information. Synonyms: tearing, ripping, cutting, fragmenting, destroying. Antonym: assembling, piecing together, preserving. Shred the boundaries of ordinary vocabulary with Lexilum, where words unfold in unique fragments, creating a mosaic of linguistic brilliance. Distinction. Meaning: the condition of being different or distinguishable. Example: the artist's work carried a distinction that set it apart from others. Synonyms: differentiation, contrast, uniqueness, eminence, excellence. Antonym: similarity, sameness, commonality, mediocrity. Embark on a journey of distinction with Lexilum, where every word stands out, carving a niche in the tapestry of language. Interface. Meaning: a point of interaction between components, systems, or individuals. Example: the interface of the software was user-friendly and intuitive. Synonyms: connection, interaction, linkage, communication, interconnection. Antonym: disconnection, isolation, separation. Connect with the vibrant world of words at Lexilum, where language interfaces seamlessly to create a symphony of understanding. Contingency. Meaning: a future event or circumstance that is possible but cannot be predicted with certainty. Example: the business had plans in place for every contingency. Synonyms: possibility, eventuality, uncertainty, unpredictability, chance. Antonym: certainty, predictability, inevitability. Navigate the unpredictable seas of language with Lexilum, where words prepare you for every contingency on the linguistic horizon. Hit a snag. Meaning: to encounter an unexpected problem or obstacle. Example: the project hit a snag when the key team member fell ill. Synonyms: encounter a problem, face an obstacle, run into trouble, experience a setback. Antonym: smooth sailing, clear path, effortless progress. Explore the twists and turns of language with Lexilum, where hitting a snag is just another exciting part of the linguistic journey.